Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a braid lock install, no extensions. This client and her mom came from Florida and she just wanted to have her little braid locks done to her hair. Boom. So I don't have a lot of notes. This is pretty self-explanatory. Normally when I do braid locks, during the interlocking portion of it, I only have to go through like one through the side and one through the top. That's normally enough because the braids are more secure at the root, so they don't move as like twists do. A lot of people will opt to get braid locks because braid locks are a little more, what's the word I'm looking for, reliable in regards to staying put, especially if you do extensions. They tend to hold better, and they also mirror sister locks more than twists do. The only thing with braid locks is the braid pattern can take years to disappear, and that's always something I let my clients know so that they are fully aware of what they're getting. But yeah, simple. I'm just braiding down. I'm not braiding super tight to the scalp, so I'm able to interlock one time, and we're just going through the process.
Walking through it, hope I find a shawty that really listens and talk me through it. Oftentimes we end up smashing and loving lust. They asking for my heart, don't give it, it's hard to trust. Consider that a plus, and mine is the complications. Feel like everyone's the same, internet immutations. While all the weak get the highest of the praises. Man, it's messing with my patience. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hiding in my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings, looking at the blessings I've been counting. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hiding in my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. I've been looking at the blessings I've been counting.
I know you like the way I pop out. Let's go hit Lennox. Another week, another knockout. A different city. My partner whip a 7-4 now. He think he Wimby, but I'm a right.
So I believe I mentioned before that when doing the initial parting, it's more of a guideline than actually stuck in stone. So here you'll see that the sizing that I'm doing for the Microlocs, I know that I need extra hair for the last one on the end, so I changed the parting and changed the sizing, or more or less I moved the parting over. That's super important to keep in mind because, like I said, the guidelines are the original parting, and then you adjust as you go. Everybody's heads are different sizes, scalps move, things just aren't always as they seem when you first start. So that's an example of when I need to change up my parting a bit to accommodate a role that I'm on.
Don't bring you shine. I pop out time to time to show face and give my people love. That's all I got, and now I won't waste it, cause ain't in us here in this place enough. I know you like the way I pop out. Let's go hit Lennox. Another week, another knockout. A different city. My partner whip a 7-4 now. He think he Wimby, but I'ma ride this Chevy Mally until it's empty. And Pastor don't take dirty money. I like it filthy. She my Achilles. I'm out for millies, not just for memories. Been on a mission, did I mention it before? I can't be slipping till I'm reaping what I sow. Keeping my rearview mirror empty when I'm riding out, cause ain't never worth risking this. How I'ma break bread with them, but my pockets down and my head ain't into this. That's why I gotta keep my hustle strong and not let them breathe too long. Never know who needs you. Reaping without giving it seed to. I'm just seeing light when it's been years. Don't make no sense to me sometimes, but time and all it is. Perfected patience, tame my ego when I killed the pedo. This poetry is still my passion, shot my nigga Theo. I had the vision way back when we smoked out the gazebo, that I would make my stamp in history just like all my heroes. It's way more glory in the story when you come from zero. Most sacrifices still the price, cause I know nothing Frito. Ain't nothing. I know you like the way I pop out. Let's go hit Lennox. Another week, another knockout. A different city. My partner whip a 7-4 now. You think he Wimby, but I'ma ride this Chevy Mally until it's empty. And Pastor don't take dirty money. I like it filthy.
All in all, this video is pretty straightforward. She'll come back, if she was coming back to me, she would come back in about 6 to 7 weeks. I would wash it. I do condition locks, and then I would interlock it. I believe she's going to be finding someone to maintenance it down in Florida, but she wants the option to come back every now and then. Actually, I think she'll be coming back for her first retie with me because her mom is also going to get braid locks. But if you have any questions for me, please leave them below. This took me 2 days. So the first day was about 9 to maybe almost 5. I can't remember, but I normally do 9 to 5 and then 9 to about 3 the second day. So generally it was somewhere in that family. So if you have any questions, please drop them below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.